So if you see this animal tissues are divided into epithelial, connective, muscular, and nervous tissue. Here we'll see the epithelial tissue. They form the covering of the external surfaces, internal cavities, and organs of the animal body. If you can see here, the skin, the lining of the mouth, the lining of the blood vessels, lung, alveoli, and kidney tubules are made up of epithelial tissue. Here, if you see in this picture, you can see it clearly. And even I'll show you the video also in which you can see, here you can see, children, in the kidneys, how this simple cuboidal epithelium, it covers. What is how it looks like. What is its function? Its function is secretion and absorption. Secretion and absorption. It looks like this under a microscope. It is present inside the kidney tubules. Now here, if you see the animal tissue, there are 4 types of animal tissues. Epithelial tissue, which you can see here in this picture, connective tissue, muscular tissue, and nervous tissue. If you can see it clearly, how it appears. Now coming to first one, epithelial tissue. They form the covering of the external surfaces and the internal cavities and organs. Where it is present, actually the epithelial tissue, where the epithelial tissue is present. Yes, can anyone tell me? Where is the epithelial tissue present? Yes, Abhinaya? You can unmute yourself. Abhinaya, are you there?
Ma'am,
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, can anyone tell me?
Ma'am, can you repeat the question, ma'am?
Where is this epithelial tissue found?
The skin, the lining of mouth, and kidney tubules, blood vessels.
Yes. Anyone else? Yes, Hiranya. Hiranya, what are the functions of epithelial tissue?
It covers organs and cavities in body, ma'am.
Okay. And
Ma'am, they will work as barrier, ma'am, because to keep different organs separate, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Vishnu. Vishnu, can you tell me a few more functions of epithelial tissue? Vishnu, are you there? Ritvik Rao, anyone? Boys from boys. You can unmute yourself.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Ma'am, it will protect the internal organs, ma'am.
Yes, it protects the internal organs. Anyone, what are the functions? What else?
Ma'am, it is a widespread throughout the body, ma'am.
Okay. And it even helps in regulating the exchange of materials between the body.
Yes, ma'am.
To the external environment. Okay. Now we will see the types of epithelial tissue. So if you know what are epithelial tissue, then only we can go through in detail of it. If you know the
yes,
detail.
It's clear, ma'am.
If you know the detail about this, then I'll proceed further. The types of epithelial tissue. Into how many types they are divided into?
4, ma'am.
What are they?
Ma'am, squamous
Squamous
epithelium, ma'am.
stratified
And cuboid.
and cuboidal.
Cuboidal epithelium.
Yes, ma'am.
Simple squamous, stratified squamous epithelium, cuboidal epithelium. Okay, now we'll see this
Ma'am, columnar also,
squamous.
ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes,
columnar epithelium.
also. Columnar epithelium also. Yes, so now we'll see simple squamous epithelium. So you can see the picture here, picture of simple squamous. So it appears like this. It is usually present in the cells lining the blood vessels or lung alveoli, where transportation of substances occur through a selective permeable membrane, selective permeable surface. It is usually flat. You can see in the picture, it is flat and extremely thin. It is a kind of epithelium which is named as simple squamous. Why it is named as simple squamous? Because it is flat and extremely thin. Yes, mute
Abba,
yourself.
please.
Mute yourself. Who is this? Okay, children. Yes. So this simple squamous epithelium is named. Its name came because of it is extremely thin and it is flat, and it uses what are its functions. It helpful in transportation of substances through a selective permeable membrane because of its thin nature. It is found in the lining of the mouth, esophagus, lung alveoli, etc. Where it is found, simple squamous epithelium, it is very thin. It is found in the mouth, esophagus, lung, alveoli, etc. What is that? Simple squamous. Don't get confused. Now coming to stratified squamous epithelium. It is found in the skin, which protects the body. It is also made up of squamous epithelium. This is multi-layered. There are many layers to prevent the wear and tear. If it is very thin, then it will be easily teared. So because of that, there are so many layers. Skin epithelial cells are arranged in many layers. If you see the skin, it is with many layers. Since they are arranged in pattern of layers. If you can see this picture, so that's why it is called as stratified squamous. The name itself tells us stratified squamous epithelium. It is a squamous epithelium. It is originated from simple squamous, but it is stratified. Stratified means many layers, arranged in the form of many layers. Okay, children? If you have any doubt, just raise your hands. Just tell me in the message box, then I can clear it off. Yes, now coming to the cuboidal epithelium. Even here, the name itself tells cuboidal. It is in the form of a cube. They are simple cubes. They are arranged in the form of cubes. They are present in the lining of kidney tubules and the ducts of salivary glands. Where are these salivary glands present? They are present in the inside the, yes, you can give me the answer. Where are these salivary glands present? Yes, anyone? I have unmuted you. Where are these salivary
Ma'am,
glands present? Yes.
down of the teeth, mouth part, ma'am, near the
Yes,
mouth
near
part, they provide
inside the mouth. Yes, what they secrete? They
saliva
secrete.
and digestive juices, ma'am.
Yes, good. Saliva and digestive juices. It really, I'm really impressed that at least one of the boy has responded. He has given the answer for the question. Other boys, please go through this lesson. You can be able to understand and give the answers to the questions. The teachers really feel happy if the students give the answers. Okay, children, now this cuboidal epithelium, it is present in the salivary glands, ducts of salivary glands. They are shaped like this, simple cuboidal, as in the picture you can see. And even they are present in the lining of kidney tubules. Here in this picture you can see it clearly.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so once again I'll just move it upward so that you can see it properly. Yes, so they are cube-like cells with large spherical central nuclei. They are used in secretion and absorption. For what they are present inside the kidney. What is the function of kidneys, children? What are the functions of
Ma'am,
kidney?
they will increase the sugar levels in the body, ma'am.
No, what
They will
are
purify the blood.
yeah, and even what are they function? What kidneys do?
Ma'am, it will remove the waste materials, ma'am.
Yes, in the form of urine. They'll remove the waste materials.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so here, where are this cuboidal epithelium, where is this present? They are present inside the kidney tubules, the ducts and secretory portions of small glands, and even the ovary surface also, they are present. They are present inside this kidney. So they are used for secretion and absorption. And even here in this picture you can see, so this simple columnar epithelium, it is present in the intestine. And here if we see further, we'll study about the fourth one, columnar epithelium. Here in this picture you can see stratified columnar epithelium, which is also present in the esophagus, and even it is present on the skin also. Stratified squamous epithelium, which we have studied just now. And here simple cuboidal. Now we'll see simple columnar epithelium. This in this picture you can see simple columnar epithelium. So where this columnar epithelium is present, it is present in the lining of the intestine. They are usually tall. Their cells are tall. They are not cuboid. They are tall. If you can see here in this picture, aren't they tall? They are present due to this name itself. Due to in this picture you can see tall columns, tall cells are there. Because of that they are named as columnar epithelium. They help in absorption and secretion. They are usually present in the inner lining of the intestine. You know intestines?
Yes, ma'am.
Intestines, yes. They
Small
are
intestine and
present.
large
Yes, they
intestine.
are present inside. They make the lining of the intestine. Inside the intestine, they are present. In the respiratory tract also, on the outer surface of the epithelial cells, they are hair-like projections called cilia. Uh, on the surface of this simple columnar epithelium, there are small hair-like projections. They are called as cilia. These cilia can move. For what they are helpful? The movement of cilia is helpful for clear off the mucus. If they are present inside the respiratory tract, inside your respiratory tract, mucus will be formed, isn't it? You know that? You know that mucus will be formed inside your respiratory tract, especially when you got common cold. When you get cold, after cold, what happens after 2 days or 3 days, it will be there. Cold, running nose will be there. After 2 days, what happens? The mucus will be start forming, isn't it? Mucus will be formed. Due to that, you'll be getting cough. So this cilia help in the movement. It pushes this mucus forward to clear it off. So you'll be getting rid of that mucus. Because of this cilia only, it comes out of the nose. The mucus, it comes out because of movement of the cilia. This type of epithelium is named as ciliated columnar epithelium. To make it more clear, I'll just show you the video, children. I'll just stop this and I'll show you one video so that it will be clear to you.
Ma'am, we can't hear, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Still you can't hear?
No, ma'am.
No, we can't hear, ma'am.
Okay, just 1 second. One second, children. Now just check whether you can hear.
Yeah, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Just wait 1 second. Now you can hear?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Now also you can't hear?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. You can hear now?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
You can hear now?
No, ma'am.
Very low, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Very low, ma'am.
Now you can?
No, ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
You can hear now?
Ma'am, actually we saw this video, ma'am, already.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, we saw this video already, ma'am.
For
We
those,
didn't saw, ma'am.
yeah, for those who didn't saw, I am showing them. But now you cannot
Okay.
hear?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Move on.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, I'll try to show it any other time. Because now it can't be. For last class, they have understood clearly. Why now?
Just
I
5
don't
minutes.
know. Yeah.